Welcome back, YouTube, to another episode of Driving in the Bronx. We are now headed walking to the car, and we're going to see exactly what today is all about. I'm going to show you an exclusive day of how much I make during the weekend doing Uber here in New York City. Again, we're going to take the Honda Fit on a road trip around New York City. Take a quick drive in this car. We're going in. We're going to go on a road trip. Ladies and gentlemen, another cold start. And as you see, the car is cold. We also have to turn the steering wheel. This video is a little different because we have a total of, as you can see, we're low on fuel. The car has 96,866 miles, and I'm going to be showing you how to make money in New York City again, but this time with a wider lens. The time right now is 9:19. We're gonna be waiting for the car to heat up. Then we'll go. As you can see, it's nice and fall outside. This video is gonna be a lot different than the other video because the last one kind of flopped. But ladies and gentlemen, if you like this content, it's gonna be speeded up throughout the day. I'm going to show you the beginning, the ending, and the middle. Or maybe the middle, the ending, and the beginning. It all depends on how you like to see this video. In today's video, we're going to be just driving Uber because there's a promotion going on. If you do a certain amount of rides, you get that promotion. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Westchester County. We're entering right now, and as my good friend Prem says, oh my God, we are here. Exactly, Prem. And now we will be establishing the mileage on the car, 96,876 miles, and we're still low on fuel. Yeah, but today we're definitely going to be seeing exactly how much we make here, not just in Westchester County, because we're going to be going also into New Jersey. Oh my gosh, who lives in Jersey besides those crazy Jersey Shore people? It's insane out here, but those crazy Jersey people, I love Jersey, I ain't gonna lie. Jersey is one of my favorite places to go, but that's when I do Lyft. If I do go into New Jersey today, I am gonna do Lyft because I am not gonna waste time just doing this promotion. So yes, I am doing Uber alone, and I'm gonna sign on right now. We just dropped off the first passenger. It is 10:28. We have 96,917 miles, and we're on E. We have to definitely fix that problem. And now I have 0 miles. You don't even see the indicator light down there. That's what happens when you fail to plan. You plan to fail. And I'm gonna fail because I'm up here deep in the mountains and there's no gas stations. And the gas is probably super expensive. We're entering the gas station where the prices of fuel are ridiculous. We just made it to the gas station. It's 10:37. We have 96,920 miles. We're gonna be fueling up right quick. And I'm going to show you how. Let's turn this mother rubber off. First, turn off the car. We are now leaving the gas station that tried to charge us extra money for gas. Fuel is crazy out here, especially at this gas station, somewhere in upstate New York. They are ridiculous. Remember, you want to save money, not waste money. So I got half a tank with $10. I put $10.05. All right, I decided to take off because gas was $2.89, and that is crazy. You'll find those little gas stations like that up here. They're insane. I think it's something to do with the complications of how to get the fuel to the gas station, but that is so ridiculous. Check out the map. As you can see, I'm very far away from the city and I'm trying to get back. We are back in White Plains and we are entering the gas station, our preferred spot, where, oh my gosh, gas is $2.05. The time now is 11:18. The car has 96,945 miles. We're gonna fuel up. It's crazy how half of that tank just went, and it was only 20 miles. But right now, gas is super efficient and super cheap. So what we're gonna do is fuel. Okay, again, zoop. We're gonna grab a napkin. It's 11:23 right now. We got 96,945 miles still. We haven't moved, but it is full. As you can see, from E to F, it is full. Yeah, that's a great difference in fuel price. You got one place that's charging $2.89, another that's charging $2.05, which is insane. Since I paid debit, it's $2.05, and I got an 84-cent difference. That's crazy. So in total, I spent about $23.74. And just like Dominic Toretto says in that one movie, hey, why do you do that? I like cheap fuel prices. If I can, I fuel in my sleep. I just had 2 back-to-back Uber rides. And now let's see what's gonna come up next. So we did manage to get a ride into the city, which is a very cool thing. Now that we have just dropped someone off here at JFK, the time right now is 1:53. This is the mileage on the vehicle, 97,023 miles. The time now is 1:54. We're good on gas. We have done 4 trips. We have made a total of $87.84 with just 4 trips. That's not bad considering that it's the weekend. So now we go to Long Island. Our next update, it's 2:44. The car has 97,052 miles, and we are going to eat lunch because it is dead out here in Long Island. And I am stopping right here at Taco Bell. A real Hispanic knows that Taco Bell, Chaco Bell, is not a real taco spot. Taqueria's a real taco spot. But since taquerias cost too much, we're going to be buying and saving money on Taco Bell. We're not sponsored, so we're not going to keep showing them. Don't stop eating Taco Bell. That's what I'm talking about. You can get that for $1 in some states, but here in New York, you get that for $1.58 plus tax. And you can get a mango brisk from the hours of 2 to 5 for $1. That's $1 for this delicious drink. All right, we're gonna take a break. It's 2:53. Hopefully I can eat this in 7 minutes and be on the road by 3. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna eat this and enjoy it. Right now, we have 97,052 miles and it's 2:53. Bust it. I'm gonna eat this. The time is 3:13. The car has 97,052 miles and our gas is looking great. The only problem is we're in the middle of Long Island and there's no rings. So what we're gonna do is leave. We're gonna move from this area because this area is dead and I've been eating here for 25 minutes. So let's go. So I decided to come to Great Neck. Great Neck, this is a good area right here. It's right in the line. So Great Neck is great after all. We managed to get a ride out of Great Neck into the city. Thank God, because Long Island was dead. We just dropped off Alexa, who was our previously last passenger. It is 4:33. Right now, the car has 97,085 miles. We're almost a half a tank, and we are in the financial district. As you can see, this is a great, nice place. And a little restaurant right there. I'm gonna take the West Side Highway. We're heading back north, and I'll see you in a minute. It is 5:27. The mileage is 97,107. We are at half a tank, and we're back in New Rochelle. Crazy. From Midtown all the way up here. It took me 40 minutes just to get up here, almost. And there's no rides. We've been working for a total of 8 hours. We've only made $113.98, which is terrible for a Saturday. But you know what? We're gonna call it in an hour if it doesn't pick up. I'm not gonna wait in New Rochelle. I'm gonna drive up a little bit to Portchester to see what's going on over there because they have more live activity over there. There's more bars and stuff, and this area looks dry. Look at the streets. One person pushing a cart. And that person is not even traveling on an Uber. Dude, you need an Uber? All right, it's 6 o'clock. We're at 97,120 miles, half a tank. We made it all the way to Portchester. We are over here in Portchester, once thriving Portchester. This was before COVID-19. This was before COVID-19 destroyed the market. And now you don't see anyone. This streets once was full of people. Once upon a time. But now, there isn't anybody. because it's COVID time. Before COVID, this area was extremely busy. Now, it's just a ghost town because of COVID-19. COVID destroyed the market. If you were to work back in the day, before COVID, last year, December, January, or February, early February 2020, you could make a good amount of money. You would have been able to make $300 by this time in 8 to 10 hours. Now we're going on 9 hours and we can't even get a ride back into the city, and we're in Port Chester. It's been 30 minutes since I've been back upstate, and it's terrible. The market is extremely bad. We had a hard day, and I believe I'm going home because this is terrible. I made $113.98 in 9 hours. That's like worse than minimum wage. Uber is dead upstate, so we're headed back down a little bit closer to the city to see if we could get a ride into the city. We are fishing blind, and that is not a good thing. So I am going to end the day today, and we are headed back to the Bronx. So there you have it, guys. 9 hours, $121.73 later. We are done for the day. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Turn on the little bell. When it rings, you'll get more videos. Thank you, and see you later.